Math 3, final benchmark, question 45. Consider the cubic functions represented by the table and the equation. All right, so we have two functions, function 1 and function 2. What is the distance between the y-intercept of f of x and the y-intercept of g of x? Okay, so what is the distance between these two functions? All right, if we look at function 1, we have 0, negative 12. We know the y-intercept is always 0 something, okay? So the y-intercept is always on the y-axis, so we can say that this is the y-intercept for function 1. How do we find the y-intercept for function 2? Well, we simply plug in 0 and then solve. All right, so 0 minus 2 is negative 2. And negative 2 to the third power is negative 8. All right, so our y-intercept here would be 0, negative 8. All right, so it says, what is the distance between? So what is the distance from negative 12 to negative 8? That would be 4 units. All right, so if we look over here, our answer is A. So this is just about knowing terminology, knowing definitions, and just like what is the question asking. So it's not a difficult question. Again, you just have to cipher through what the information is asking. Question 45, the answer is A.